Okay, no job number yet, but this is called Arbor Mist, and we're looking at seal coat and striping for T-Square Management. Amy Hilton has been sending me lots of different properties to look at, which has been great. Okay, so there's two sections here. You've got phases 4, 5, and 6, which is off of 19715 26th Avenue West. And then you've got you've got this property over here, and then to the west of this property, there's like a walking trail that you can go through, and I'm going to go through it because I'm over here in this section right now. But if you get over here to this area, you'll see if you plug in, I plugged in 197th Place Southwest, which is off of, I believe, 28th Avenue West. If you come off 28th Avenue West, but if you plug in 19717 270, or I'm sorry, that's 27th Place West. So if you plug in 19717 27th Place West here in this is considered, well, it says Snohomish, but it's Linwood. But if you type in Linwood, it'll take you to this property as well. So the object, or the goal here, is to do a price to seal coat this cul-de-sac, to seal coat that asphalt that goes that direction, and then the asphalt that comes down, it goes to a T here. Okay, that's we're going to call that area 1. Then over here, we're going to call this area 2, where 19717 27th Place Southwest is located. Or 27th Place West, sorry. Seal coat all the way up and through. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm at the back area of area 2, off of 27th Place West. Okay, this is 27th Place West. As you come into the property, comes to a dead end. You've got 197th Lane Southwest. You go all the way down, seal coat. There's another one you seal coat, and then it goes out to the entrance. Okay, on Workman's, I'm going to have these 18-inch fire lane, no parking stencils, plugged in here. And then I'll also have these stencils here that say visitor parking. Those are, I believe, 8-inch. Yeah, 8-inch visitor parking. Okay, there's, I believe there's 8 total. Then there's also your 12-inch stall numbering. Okay, the yellow that goes around, it's just a little bit wider than 4 inches. It's more like 6-inch yellow line that borders the whole property, goes all the way around. Okay, so there's 2 more visitor parking stencils there. You've got 3 visitor parking here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. And then you got 1 that's right down there that says visitor parking as well. Okay, so you head all the way down. I'll show you the entrance real quick. The asphalt condition is really good shape, but it does need a seal coat. Okay, definitely needs a seal coat, but does not need any crack fill, does not need power washing, just needs to be cleaned with a snuffy. Okay, where these parking stalls are, though, we want to run that snuffy through there and all through those stalls really well. And we also want to run it along the edge here, especially on the south side. We will want to run it on the south side. As a matter of fact, I just changed my mind. We need to power wash this. It'll start flaking. Okay, so we'll need 1 day of power washing on this lot. Okay, I think on the same day we could probably do the other lot, but let's just call this 2 separate days of power washing. Okay, we'll do 1 day of power washing in here, so they'll probably spend 4 hours power washing in here, and then another 4-hour day power washing on the other side, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, But coming into the entrance, there's going to be a 6-inch yellow line that comes all the way through, and it wraps all the way around the property. It actually stops right here, so it's actually not in front of the parking stalls here. So where those 3 stalls are, where those other 2 stalls were, the 2 stalls way up there, and this stall right here, there is no yellow line right here, but everywhere else has the yellow line going all the way around the property. Okay, so there's 24 18-inch no parking fire lane stencils in this development. So 24 18-inch no parking fire lane stencils in yellow. There are 8 parking stalls that are in here that have visitor parking. So there's 8 visitor parking stencils that are 8-inch, and in each one of these stalls, these 3, those 2, and those 2, you've got 12-inch stall numbers 1 through 8 through there. I'll get you to count on the yellow 6-inch line. Okay. Things to protect. We want to make sure we don't get seal coat on all these lids here, the catch basins. We want to keep those nice. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over to the other side, and I'm going to show you what it looks like over in the other development. This is a kind of a shortcut through to get to the other side, so I'm going to go take you over there real fast. Okay, now I'm on that other phase that I showed you on the map, where this comes to a T and it goes out to the cul-de-sac. So same thing. You got a 6-inch yellow line. You got 18-inch no parking fire lane. So basically I just came through that trail, was over there west of this property. Dead ends down there. All these driveways are concrete. Curb and gutter on one side, and then other sides you got just driveways like that. So we got to make sure we are careful with our edging. If we got to tape it off. So there's 12 no parking fire lane stencils in this T section. 12 of those. You got yellow that goes all the way around, comes all the way out to the cul-de-sac. Hi. Okay, and in this area, in the cul-de-sac, all of this will get striped. Here we've got, let's see, as far as parking goes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 stalls out here with stall numbers. It looks like we're up into the teens now, so it looks like it just carried on from 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, I see 15 here, so there must be a total of 15 parking stalls. So in our bid, let's put 15 visitor parkings, and then let's put 15 stall numbers, 1 through 15. Okay, we'll have to do a little bit of striping here for these 15 stalls. You're looking at about 9 feet per stall. Actually, there's, let's see. Let me do the math real quick. You're looking at about 50 feet. 50 feet of 4-inch stall striping. Okay. So I gave you the 12 count of the no parking fire lanes there. We need to add 1 there. So there's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's a total of 18 no parking fire lane stencils in this phase. That includes that T section that I showed you earlier. We seal coat all the way down to the dead end, come back out, and that's it. We stop where the curb and gutter stops, okay? Go straight across, and that is where our seal coat ends, okay? No crack fill. Up here in this area, up in this lot, there is no power washing needed up here, okay? No power washing. All looks pretty good. So where I put in for 2 days of power washing, looks like we actually only need 1 day. Take that back. I just looked at it again. I told you earlier in the video to do 2 4-hour days, and we need to keep it at that. 2 4-hour days of power washing. 2 days of seal coating, And then we could probably come in and get all the striping done in one day. So 1 day of striping for both lots, 2 days of seal coating, 2 4-hour days of power washing. All right, any other questions? Let me know.